today is the soft opening. We're getting ready, everything prepared. Oxtails on, briskets on, pork butts on, chicken on. Everything fresh. So I'm gonna get this pig cleaned up right quick so we put this chicken on, honey. I need my scraper. Look at that brush. In particular, how much salt. Salt is the main thing that will make it change the flavor of your meat. It's either gonna be too salty or not enough salt. So I'm big on watching that salt intake of meat. I just imagine every bite. Chicken, you gotta have clean fire. If your fire ain't clean, chicken gonna be dark on the top. The same methods apply. Clean fire, professional meats. I know I'm gonna have to be cooking a lot of chicken because people they love chicken. Chicken is a healthy source of protein, so a lot of people go to it. I used to do training, I used to eat a lot of chicken. So I got everything rolling. We got chicken on Big Girl, we got oxtails, fresh oxtails. You know they coming out hot. We popped up today at 5 o'clock at the Draper location. And we ain't rolling nothing but softballs, briskets, pork butts. And we already got them back, bro. Good. 5 this morning, they've been rolling. 5 this morning. Now, from the rehearsal to the recital. You know how you used to practice a play and then you go, hell yeah. You go from the rehearsal to the recital. That's some beautiful mac and cheese. We'll set them over. Yeah, you can probably go up to, which one on the pork butts? Is it moving? Is the temperature moving? We'll go up then, you the cook. You gotta have these guys, I want them to have confidence. Confidence in themselves and not just depend on my understanding. I need them to have confidence. So I allow them the room to do that. And I don't want them to second guess themselves. I want them to, you know what I'm saying, know what's going on. Yeah. Chicken going. Nice fire, nice and calm. I love when I don't see that black silt on top of the chicken. Get finished here real quick. I'll probably take a trip to the mall to get me a pair of pants so I can be fresh. I got my wife bringing me a red shirt. Look at that. I gotta clean my goddamn self out. God damn. Wind, I got to get both of them. That wind is blowing. Can't leave my old brim. Yeah. Tell them about it. Oh, thank you. Man, I told you, man. My old hat, man. I'm gonna scar my shit up with my damn hat. Goddamn. Shit. But yeah, I get that lesbbq.com right there. And then I get that lesbbq.com right there. Feel me? lesbbq.com. See if they got some black and red shoes I might need. How you doing? Which ones you got some 12 and a halves in? I'm trying to find me something to wear for the night. Need some red. Man, them bad boys clean. That's all black. What was it? Laser black, but if that white it get dirty. I wonder if they got these in the old school J's in the 12. I'm gonna take these right next door because I'm gonna get them to put something on there. I'll be right. Okay, I'll be stopped right back by. I wanna get these, on this one here, I wanna get LASBBQ.com, and on this one I wanna get that right there, LASBBQ.com. You can't do it on leather or what?
I wouldn't do it on leather.
God damn.
Destroy the hat. I can do it on this one.
All right, that'll work. Right there. That old Western style.
Some straps this car.
These are, how much is these? 5, 12? $12.50.
Yes.
Oh, that's way too much white, that one.
Are you more options in a size 13?
What's this is, a 13?
No, this one is
A 12 and a half?
Yes, 12 and a half.
How much are these? $3.50?
Yes.
Okay, that's, I mean, you can leave that one up here, I'm gonna get that one. Oh, what is that one? Yeah, that's the one I wanted, something to match. What size is that?
It's a 13.
Oh yeah, that's way too big for me. A 13? Man, that's a big shoe. Let me check that out. Man, that's a big shoe. How much is this before I even try it on? That's a 13? Yeah, I do my shoes. I just, man, I want my shoes. Oh, that bad boy fit pretty good though. It fit tight. Oh yeah, that's, I think I could get that one. Okay, let me get this one. Yeah, that fit perfect. I'll just get that one. Yes, ma'am. Let me get me a Oreo medium blizzard. You want something? Let me get an Oreo medium. Yeah, I'm gonna eat that too. Oreo medium blizzard, one. Look, one thing I like and I used to love about Texas is me a good old blizzard.
Hey, cowboy.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Yeah, please.
Hey, man, appreciate all the videos.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate y'all, brother.
Gotta get some barbecue.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, brother. You too. All right. So we're heading back to the restaurant.
Stickers are kicking my ass.
Yeah, Xavier. Going up, boy. Black. How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4?
More than 4.
Everybody ain't looking so. Man, that iPod number bubbles. Damn, I put both in the shop, didn't I? Okay, so this toast, Texas in every way, from the bottom to the top. That's how we did it from scratch.
In every way.
Cheers in every way. That's kind of dry.
Yeah.
bottom to the top.
All right. Congratulations.
Texas in every way. We about to be popped up. 5 p.m. We're gonna do a soft lunch with some guests that we're inviting in. We got the signs up, menus, hours. We ready to go, man. I'm telling you, we are ready to go. So we're gonna step in, and we got everybody working. We got the menus up. The crew back there, they waiting on y'all. The crew is waiting. So we got a picture of my father right here. We're gonna do this store right here in honor of him, which is the first of many more. I'm gonna give you some a backstory on this picture. We was out barbecuing this day when we took this picture. And all we had to do was be his hype man, and he struck a pose. So that's where that picture came from. Clean cowboys, what they called them. So yeah, man, we got it popped up, and we are ready to roll. I appreciate everyone that supported us from day one. This all came from nothing since day one. Y'all stay tuned, we about to pop up. That's less weight. That's less weight. Texas in every way. So we done finished up the first day, soft lunch, invited some guests to come do taste tests. Unbelievable, outstanding. I appreciate everybody that came out from the bottom of my heart, man. Like, y'all have made this happen. And we're gonna keep it blazed up. This is just the beginning. We're gonna keep it hot. My daddy, rest in peace. I told him, but keep your name alive, and we out.